Ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo, doo-doo, doo-doo.
Hello, I am Rainbow. 係啊，你叫 Rainbow 係咪啊？ Today we are going to share with you a very easy recipe, no fry 椒鹽豆腐, which is salt and pepper tofu. It's very easy and yummy. Let's get started. So what is the ingredients today, Rainbow? We have tofu, garlic, sweet long pepper, asparagus. What's that for? We will know it later. 好啦，俾支你啦 Rainbow. We need firm tofu and we need kitchen paper to absorb excess moisture of tofu. In Cantonese, tofu is 豆腐 and in Mandarin, tofu is 豆腐. In English, that is tofu. 豆腐, 豆腐 and tofu, that is almost the same. So in Chinese restaurant and in any restaurant, if you say tofu, all people knowing that you are saying 豆腐. So let's cut it in square size, in cube size first. Okay, almost like this. Waterlogged tofu never gets super crispy, so the key is we cut it into small pieces and absorb the extra moisture. It's fast and quick. And now we are going to prepare the cornstarch. It's organic, non-GMO and gluten-free. And it tastes really good too. Pour a quarter cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, pepper. 哎呀，咩斷咗啦 Rainbow？ Oh, paprika. Oh, okay. Oops. Oops. We can try how salty you want. This is good. It's time to cook our tofu. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in medium heat. Let's coat the tofu. We need a very thin layer. 哎呦，跌咗啲波波咯。We coat the tofu with cornstarch one by one and put it into the pan. See the tofu! Wow, it's golden brown color. And now flip to another side and keep pan frying. I'm going to press it directly into the pan. Ayo, bless you. Ooh, already smells so good. Let's check it. Okay, still need some time. When we are waiting tofu patiently, let's prepare sweet pepper and asparagus. Put them together and chop into small dices. And now, we cut asparagus into quarter. Then, chop it into smaller dices. It will enhance the looks of the dish a lot. We chop our ingredients, red and green, so beautiful. 好啦，媽媽睇下啲豆腐先嚇，差唔多啦。係啊。媽媽睇下豆腐先。This is called patient tofu. Then we can flip to another side and keep cooking. 媽媽攞個餅俾你啊。係啊。Sweet potato and banana 啊。 Để xem. Look at that. It's almost done. Yeah. Lì quá. Hài, lì quá. Lì quá. Yeah. Hay quá. Mình thấy không à? Hậu đó. Okay.
Oops.
It's done here. Turn off the heat. Dun, golden color. Re-sprinkle a little bit oil. It's time for our asparagus and red pepper. Miếng bột bao mama lọ. Ooh, okay. So nice. Hấu lên hả Isaac? Okay, done. Look at the color. We finished this one. Is it beautiful? Hả mẹ hấu đèn à? Wow, hấu đèn hả mẹ? Hấu đèn. Okay, this is very easy recipe, right? We don't have to fry it, but we still can make it golden color and crispy.
Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, 'cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day.
If you like this video, give a like, and if you love this video, subscribe it, and we will see you next time. Rainbow need to have a sleep. Take a nap. Bye bye. Bye bye Rainbow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Kiss. Rainbow, 媽媽俾少少你試下嘛，食下個 lotion 啦。媽媽食啦。